Hi, my name is Sandy Green. I live and work in Colorado Springs, Colorado, and I've lived here for 17 years. A fun fact about me is that I am a saxophone player and I enjoy playing in small jazz combos around town, like in coffee shops and that sort of thing when I have time. I also enjoy going to live music concerts, and recently I just attended a Kenny Chesney and a Luke Bryan concert, um, and they were both pretty amazing. My profession is a band and orchestra director at 4 elementary schools, and I teach the beginning and intermediate levels, and I've been teaching for over 20 years. At this time, I'm currently working on a master's degree in becoming a elementary principal. So my master's is in educational leadership. And I'm excited about this class. I'm excited to learn about the amazing opportunities students will have with future curriculum designs involving technology and just the new way that curriculum seems to be going, and just how this new way is going to be shaping the education for the future. So just looking forward to learning a lot in this class. So thank you. Thanks for watching my video and have a good day. Thanks.